Hey guys, it's Dr. Randy Simor again from Medi Tours Hungary, and today I'm going to make a short video on fat. And why am I talking about fat again? Well, it's because we get so many inquiries about liposuction and how to manage weight and fat after treatment. So we want to clear up one thing today about fat, and that is that you have two types of it. The first type of fat you have in your body is what we call white fat. They're basically white fat cells, and they store all those calories that you're taking in all the time, and it gets distributed throughout your entire body, and it's both good and bad for you. So as we spoke about in my previous video, the reason that it's good if it gets distributed throughout your entire body is it helps the structure of the skin. It makes you look young. It actually gives you a lot more of your female or your male contouring of your body. So it's really important, it looks really good on you if you have the normal distribution of white fat in your body. Okay, the problem is when you take in so much extra calories, okay, that you actually have excess accumulation of this fat in your body, and especially around the midsection, the waist, the tummy, in these areas, if you do gain a lot of weight, you actually increase the risk of some type of metabolic disorder or disease developing later on in your life. And of course, aesthetically, it just doesn't look good. So you need to be able to manage the amount of white fat that you have in your body, and we'll get into that in a minute. The second type of fat that you have in your body is what we call brown fat, and it's mostly abundant in babies. It helps keep them warm. It's thermogenic. In other words, it's burning these calories and burning these calories in order to keep the babies warm. But we don't lose it actually as we get older. The amounts may decrease a bit, but depending on your lifestyle, the activity of this brown fat actually decreases. So that's very important that you maintain a high activity of your brown fat in your body. So that's the trick, right? Is how to decrease the amount of excess white fat that you have in your body and increase the activity or the amount of brown fat that you have in your body. And as we spoke about in the last video, obviously we have to talk about diet. You want to decrease the amount of sugary foods, sugary colas and drinks. You want to decrease the amount of processed foods that you're eating, increase the amount of vegetables and fruits and stuff like that. It's important to have a good diet in fat management. You also want to make sure that at least once a day or every day that you're doing some type of exercise. Really, really important in fat management. And the third thing, obviously, we can talk about is, well, what is the effect of cold weather on brown fat? So in a modern world, obviously, as you can see today, I have a little jacket on as well. We dress up very warmly, or we like to exercise mostly in the warm weather. But what happens if we would stay a little bit colder in the winter time? Or we would do more exercise in the cold weather, or we would have cold showers, or do more things in the cold weather. Actually, we might be able to increase the activity of brown fat in our bodies, and by increasing this activity, we would actually be able to maintain our weight a lot better. So it's something to consider. What activities can you do that would increase the brown fat in your body, the brown fat activity in your body? You might be able to stay thinner for a longer period of times. Anyway, guys, that's all I want to talk about today. Again, if you're interested in more of our services, please go to our website, www.Medi Tours Hungary. We are one of the leading medical tourist facilitator or agent companies. We help you come over to Budapest to take advantage of the great prices and treatment services, experienced surgeons, and everybody that we have over here in Budapest that we're working with. That's it for today. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.